Hi, my name is Hannah Quinley. I teach science at Mauldin High School. So I've been teaching at Mauldin for 5 years. Before that, I worked in community health and I worked with under-resourced women, infant, and children. And after doing that for a couple years, I saw education was more of a way to prevent people from getting into poverty, get them interested in career paths in high school, and so I made the switch to teaching. So what have y'all noticed about when your drops get bigger? So we were doing a lab on blood spatter, and so we were looking at how the size of the blood drop changes by how high the blood is dropping from, and then also the different kinds of blood stains you would see at a crime scene. I like to make my lessons hands-on, that way the students are forced to be engaged. They can't just pretend to be paying attention, they have to be actively doing the assignment. So when I put that in my calculator with the inverse sine, arc sine, working with the students, seeing them grow both as students and as individuals, I enjoy my coworkers, they make my job a lot easier. I like seeing a student struggle and then go past that struggle and find the answer and see their learning, see that light bulb turn on in their head. I grew up in Greer. I went to Buena Vista Elementary, Northwood Middle School, and Riverside High School. Greenville County Schools is the best school district around, and living in Greenville is the best place to live.